In this tap dance mini lesson tutorial, you're going to learn an 8 count from my Swingset tap dance combination, and you'll also get some technical pointers. If you want to learn the first half of the combination and download the music, click on the link below. And to learn the entire combination, consider becoming a paid member to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Without further ado, let's jump in. Starting with your right foot, you have flap, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, heel. Whether I'm flapping or doing a spank step, the opposite heel goes down first in all cases. So it's flap left first, spank step right first, flap left first, spank step right first. Always opposite. 6, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. That's our tempo. 5, 6, ready, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Dig, dig, heel, toe, dig. Touch, heel, toe, stamp. No, this is not easy. Again, that's dig, heel, toe, dig. Touch, heel, toe, stamp. One more time, that's dig, heel, toe, dig. Touch, heel, toe, stamp. Let's connect that from the top. I had to count strong. I was doing and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. It's a 1 E and a 2 E and. So I'll get that right from here on out. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 5 E and a 7 E and a. Yes, it's a tricky one. We'll do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 5 E and a 7 E and a. All right. Now, as you go faster, when you're doing the flap heel heels and spank step heels, very often people will drop the first heel too soon. Hear that rhythm get real choppy? That's because as I'm doing the flap here, I'm dropping this heel too soon. One of the tricks is to lift that heel up higher, higher, and higher, and higher before it drops. That prevents it from going down too soon because it's up higher and it just takes longer to get down. So, and higher, and higher, and higher, and higher. Another technique is don't even lift it up until the flap is done. So instead of going higher, and this technique says don't even pick it up until the flap's done. Then you can pick it up and drop it down. Don't pick it up, don't pick it up, don't pick it up, don't pick it up. Just don't wait too long to pick it up or it's going to be late. But if you have the problem of it being too soon, this little either lifting higher or delaying before you lift it up should be about the right amount of fix so it sounds okay. So that's how you can clean up the flap heel, spank step heel if you're finding it sounding choppy. This part, right, this is the hard part, let's be honest, right? For this one, getting the heel toe is the tricky part. What I do is in my mind, I only focus on doing the toe sound. I let the heel kind of happen on its own, let my subconscious take care of that, and I focus on making the toe happen. And by doing that, I only have to think of one thing. Instead of thinking, I have to do heel and I have to do toe, instead of processing 2 different movements and 2 different sounds, I'm only processing the toe. Only the toe, right? Only the toe. Now, it's not a guarantee that, oh, wow, everything's magically perfect now. No, but I find I can do it faster and get through it a little bit more easily if I'm only concentrating on that second toe, letting that heel happen on its own. So that's what I'm doing. La-da-da-da, la-da-da-da, and boom, it happens. Now, you can cheat it a little bit by leaving that right heel on the floor. If I leave it down for the heel, or the heel toe on the left, leaving it down, right? Now that's cheating. You can do a half cheat where you kind of, or you leave it down for a part of it and then come up at the last second. But there's some things, if it's like not happening at all, you can do the full cheat. Do the full cheat till you get the mechanics comfortable. The full cheat is leaving this dig down while the other foot does the heel toe. Right, and then leaving that down while that does the touch. You can do the full cheat until that's comfortable and be like, okay, I'm going to cheat a little less, and I'm going to lift up a little bit more. And then you can do heel, where you're not cheating at all. So you can kind of adjust that to where it's comfortable. Let's do it a couple more times, then we'll hit music. 6, ready, go. A 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 5 E and a 7 E and a. Again, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 5 E and a 7 E and a. Beautiful. Let's try with music about -8% and see how that goes. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Not easy. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more time. 5, 6, 5, 7, 8. Woo! That's already brisk. All right, let's do it minus 4%. So we're halfway to real speed. You'll feel the difference, so will I. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I'm focusing on that toe. 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo, that was rough for me. Let's roll it again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. All right, now we're going real speed. The fastest yet. If it is too fast for your feet to make this happen, just do the best you can, and then go back to doing it without music, then -8, then -4, and work your way up. And or just take a day off. Come back the next day, you'll find, well, this is easier. Magically, it's because your subconscious mind will continue to work on it. But you might just need to set it aside for a day, come back the next day, and boom, oh, this is suddenly a little easier than it was yesterday. And do that another couple days, you'll have it easy. Here we go. Well, maybe not easy, but you'll have it without too much struggle. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Beautiful. Now I'm going to do the entire combination from top to end for you. Let's take a look. Thank you so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time. If you did, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and that you dropped a comment down below. Anything you put there is helpful to us. Again, if you want to learn the next 3 8 counts of the combination, plus download the music all for free, click on the link in the description below. And if you'd like to learn the entire combination, that's 8 8 counts, you can consider becoming a paid member to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for tapping with me. Be sure to hop on over to UnitedTaps.com when you get a chance for a ton of great tap dance content. I, of course, am Howell from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.